is smooth and connected down here. Yeah, you don't want a gap between that, your tail, and your actual end of your eye. I'm going to try to get these about the same. This is a short one today. Okay. Doing just little short dashes. It's easier than trying to make a straight line, y'all. Just make a little dash and keep connecting them. And where you see that when you drag the skin, this doesn't really happen to people who are younger because their skin is pretty taut. But when you're older, your skin is very loose. And so when you drag a line, listen to that. It makes for not being a very smooth line. There we go. And again, make sure it connects on the bottom all the way down to the eye. Don't have it too lifted up in the air. I think it's good enough. Again, remember what we talk about. There's a point where you're just like, done. And I'm to that point, so I am going to let this dry before I do my mascara. I did try my Chanel mascara and I like it. I don't know if I like it enough to pay that on an ongoing basis yet because it's expensive, and I already like, y'all know my Rocket mascara from Maybelline is one of my all-time faves, so I don't know that I need any more than that. You know what I mean? So I don't know. No, what do y'all think? Y'all, I've got too many brushes together. I'm gonna put those over there. Get over there, brushes. Was that just stupid? I closed my thumb in the drawer. That was amazing. It's amazing. Alright, so we will try another color combo with this palette. I do like it. I don't know if I would call it an all-time fave by any means. And it's because I feel like every stinking color in there is going to be oriented to peach and oranges. And I'm just not that person. Y'all, we didn't finish using this one that much. So I'm going to do another tutorial of that. Because this has a lot of color combinations. But again, look at the oranges and the bronzes in here. And then over here. I mean, that just seems to be a theme in makeup right now. Whereas usually you see, actually there is a palette that I'm fixing to get, and it's from Becca Cosmetics. And it's actually more my line, but it has like one big thing of gold. Okay, so I'm like way over, y'all. So I think what I'm going to do is fix my brows, because I didn't do my brows. And we can do it together. What am I going to use for my brows today? How about this? This is the Maybelline Brow Pencil. You can get this at your local grocery store. Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Crayon. And what that means is it's got a tiny little nib like all of them are, so that you can imitate hairs. That's all that means. So go under first, under your brow first, and then straight down, give it a little tail. And then go up in front of the tail and come back down to it. So you have some consistency where the hairs are going. Y'all, my hair lately, I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this style, y'all. I don't like it. It's when you're older, the long look with no layers is not very flattering. I will just tell you that. For most people. Now, some of you older ladies, you may have really thick, swingy body hair. And for you, enjoy it while you got it. Good for you. Very happy for you. That's what I wish I had. But can I tell you something? Here's something to think about. I never had that. That's never been my hair texture in my whole life. And I've always had very fine hair. And so when it started thinning, it was even finer feeling, but it's always been fine. Even when I had thick hair, it was very baby fine. Sorry, I'm reshaping that a little bit. How does that look? God, it just looks so red around my nose, y'all.